Shut up and sit down.
Okay, it's like the Blair Witch Project, but with less crying.
Okay, you ready?
Jesus. So are we all just gonna blast away for the camera?
Okay, turn off.
Hold on. Wait. I'm doing you, not the thing.
Alright, ready?
How's your hand?
Stingy!
We're recording.
Here we go.
Going hot. Fucking impressive.
They cleaned it better, apparently.
I got a bunch of that gun scrubber stuff too, like I said. It seems to work good on the fly. Yeah, dude.
Ready? Okay.
Yeah, boy!
Damn. Right where we were. Whoa!
Holy shit!
Come down right here. That just happened. That just fell. I got the sound on the camera. That literally just hit the ground.
That was a piece of the TV, gentlemen!
Holy shit.
Take this. I'm gonna go down
Piece of
there and
television.
inspect the damage.
It's gone!
TV's gone.
It's gone!
Yeah, it's right fucking here!
Yeah.